Have you ever used AR glasses or a climbing dolly? In this video, we will look at some incredible gadgets you can buy online. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. 3-in-1 Travel Iron. This gadget creates an extra space for your electric iron in your backpack. It can inconvenience you, especially when you want to keep things simple while on the go. This is a handy and cordless mini travel iron with a fast heart function that lets you iron without waiting over 2 minutes. Its portable hairball trimmer has a built-in 3-blade hairball remover and tiny knife nets that remove all hairballs in seconds from your jumpers to your blankets without harming the clothes. What if your mobile device is running low on battery? Don't worry, this thing has a powerful 8,000 mAh battery that can charge most devices in an emergency. It has a straightforward 1-button activation and a 20-second switch off when inactivity is detected. Whether it's wrinkles, hairballs, or a backup charge, you are covered. Number 2. Tempo X Submarine. This looks like a little submarine and a beetle at the same time. But it is actually a humidifier that reacts to sound vibrations. So how do you set this up? Well, it's not rocket science. Simply pour in some water, put all the parts together, and you are ready to go. Depending on the chosen mode, the humidifier spreads out a ring of mist slowly or fast. However, when in music mode, the device synchronizes to the music rhythm and sprays out the mist ring to the beat of the music aesthetics. This device has an anti-slip design that allows the humidifier to stay firmly where it should be. Furthermore, it automatically shuts off when the humidifier runs out of water. Number 3. AR Glasses. This is an augmented reality glasses with voice control AI. It is your key to an immersive world with its lightweight and ability to be folded. It can be taken anywhere. Its voice command allows you to stay hands-free and is compatible with various terminals. Number 4. Stormproof Match Kit. Imagine having a match that will light even in the harshest conditions. A match that can survive being dropped in water while burning and will relight. It is windproof, dirt-proof, and waterproof. It burns stronger and stays reliable under conditions when it's needed the most. It will burn up to 15 seconds, even in the strongest of winds. Extended length of match allows for added safety to keep from burning fingertips. This is an inexpensive insurance policy for your comfort and care in the outdoors. Number 5. VaultPack. This is not just a pack. It is military grade and a VaultPack built to withstand the most challenging terrain and last a lifetime. The VaultPack is built for the outdoors. It has a 2-part storage system. The VaultPack is designed to keep your gear organized and protected. Featuring internal storage built from industrial-grade materials with good exterior pockets and gear lobes. You have the freedom to decide how you want to pack, insulated and waterproof. It comes with padded support and adjustable straps that perfectly fit your back. Take it to work on a hike or to the park for a picnic. Number 6. Withings Thermo. Meet your smart thermometer that helps reduce how often you visit the clinic. So what can this thermo do? Pretty much everything. First, this cool technology gives you an accurate temperature reading in 2 seconds, and all of those readings are automatically synced to your phone. But here's the game changer. It has 16 infrared sensors that make contactless scanning possible. This device is built to track the temperatures of up to 8 users. So why not add your family members after checking your temperature? The readings appear illuminated on the device along with a color-coded fever indicator. Select the user's name after each record, and the results automatically go to the correct profile on the app from the mobile app. You can access your temperature history, input regulated symptoms and medications, and share your information with your healthcare provider. This device is compliant with medical device regulations. It comes with a standard battery that lasts up to 2 years. Number 7. MagSafe Charger. This premium charger has an aesthetic that perfectly matches the latest Apple products. It is an excellent add-on for a nightstand. The perfect Apple product companion for the iPhone. This charger has some tricks up its sleeves. You can adjust the tilt position and rotation. So if you are FaceTiming your friend or need to read off your phone while cooking, this is great. You can adjust the height of the charger by raising it or choosing to have a perfect eye level to interact with your phone while sitting at your desk. This is an excellent product for any desk or nightstand. Number 8. Climbing Dolly. Looking for a climbing hand truck? There is no doubt that lifting loads up staircases can be a Herculean task, and that is why the stair climber hand truck was invented. This electric stair climber climbs 60 to 135 floors at up to 8.3 inches on a full charge. But here is the interesting part. This stair climber is foldable and lightweight, which makes it extremely easy to use. It is also versatile, so you could seamlessly carry different types of cargo, no matter the size. Want to transport cargo down the staircase? No problem, this hand truck has got you covered. Number 9. Essential Hub. Do you spend a lot of time on your computer? Having a gadget that will improve your workflow wouldn't be a bad idea. Meet Geek Hub, an efficient control center stylishly designed to replace your boring mouse and improve your productivity with this. You can control multimedia with just a simple twist of the knob. Feel free to create unique shortcuts with the programmable button and customize the functions as you like. It is quicker and easier listening to music. When an important call comes in, just one tap on the knob, you can instantly mute and resume the music as you wish. Need to transfer files to your computer? No problem, there are 3 high-speed USB ports for transferring data and connecting with multiple devices. Enjoy all the powerful tools right at your fingertips. Number 10. Horological Watch. The first thing that caught our attention was the sapphire crystal case shaped with the curves and bubbles. Secondly, the watchmaker pulled off a design that features 2 fully independent balance wheels with a planetary differential and a power reserve of 45 hours. In fact, the twin balance wheels beat independently on each flank of the machine, while the central body reveals the gearbox of the engine. By the way, the output of both wheels balances to provide one stable reading of the time. Other cool features of this watch include the superluminova highlights and the 30-meter water resistance obtained by the 3D bonding compound. Number 11. Ultra Short Throw Projector. No one is surprised by a mini projector anymore. But what if it could deliver 80 inches of bright vivid viewing, or even go farther to get images up to 120 inches? The first thing you will notice in this projector is the brilliant design. The full dark matte brushed aluminum finish is a design that you will fall in love with at first sight. Installation is pretty easy as well. You just need to connect, project, watch and play. Thanks to the HDMI ports. This thing is compatible with Amazon Fire Stick or satellite receivers, and even your gaming consoles. Number 12. Spider M1. We are greeting all the Dolly enthusiasts out there. You'd love this ultimate portable laser engraver, and it's not due to its looks only. Unlike other laser engravers on the market, this one is designed to cut virtually any material. It utilizes a highly integrated design with an optimized frame structure and a cantilevered single-arm structure. By the way, the Y-axis uses a pulley structure rather than a traditional guide rail, which cleverly eliminates length limitations for a more efficient and minimalistic design. This revolutionary structure provides unlimited versatility and lets you create anything you can dream of. Customize your home as you like, create something for your pet, and feel free to unleash your creativity. As you can see, it is compact and portable, so you can carry it around with ease. Number 13. Paracord Bracelet. Suppose you belong to a survival community or engage in hiking, camping, hunting, or fishing. You should wear this whenever you are out and about, especially in emergencies. A paracord bracelet is a synthetic fiber rope with 7 strands within the center and surrounded by a braided outer sleeve. It comes with an adjustable strap to fit any wrist. One of the main features of this bracelet is that it has a built-in ferro rod and a removable scraper that comes bundled with a whistle, which is loud enough for its tiny size. You will also notice a compass designed to guide you in any emergency. If you are in the market and on the lookout for a little survival kit, check out a paracord bracelet. It might be precisely what you're looking for. Number 14. Turn Touch. This solid wood remote controls all your devices from a distance and saves you from the stress of walking around your home. Designed with 4 buttons that require you to just tap to dim your light, control your music, interact with your door, and more. You have everything you need here to wake up your home as you focus on starting your day. Since this remote control literally connects to any plugin, you can use it to control your tea kettles, play music on your speaker, and more. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.